Make your favorite athletes look like a pro in seconds. Watch this. Open Canva and choose custom size. Set unit to pixels. Width 3600. Height 4800. Create new design. Now let's set the background. Click here, click color button. Click once again, choose gradient. Choose this linear gradient. Click the plus button. Click the first color or change it to this purple. And this one to this purple. And the third will be the same like the first. Go to element and add this abstract purple vector shake. I'll place it here. Duplicate and place it here. Select them both and I will increase the size. And before we continue, I want to inform you that if you have no time to make it, I provide the template in my store in Gumroad named Create Victo. You can visit and buy it there. Now add the shield. I use this one. Click here, flip vertical, increase the size, place it here. Change the color to white. Set the transparency to 10. Enter. Let's type the position. Change the font to Antonio or another tall font. I will make it italic. And click here to change the color. Click this plus button. Choose gradient. Choose this linear. I will change it to purple. And this one to white. On the purple, I will reduce the transparency like this. And then rotate 90 degrees to the left. And set it here. Increase the size. Go to position, layers, and I will move it here. Add the school team name here. Now upload the photo of the player. Remove background. Increase the size. I will place it here. Go to apps. Type Blender. Enter. Choose image blender. Choose linear. I move it down here. And move it down a little. Click save. Increase the size like this. Send it to the front. And I will crop it. Add a class here. Add a name with gradient color here. And add the first name with handwriting font here. Upload the full body photo. Remove the background. Reduce the size. I'll place it here. Now let's add some element. First I will add this lens flare light. Reduce it. I will place it here in the corner. And then add this blur. A white blur. Reduce the size. I will place it here. Duplicate and rotate to be placed here. And reduce the transparency. Go to position. I will set this behind the player, the big player. And this one, I will place it here behind the full body photo. Alright, so now we have it. Click share, download as PNG and click download. You can print it and share to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.